Imagine planning your future only to find out that a simple test could change everything. Well, let's get into it. Do you know your sickle cell status?
What?
Today on Checkup, we are looking at sickling test, why it's important and how it can help you understand your sickle cell status.
Nice.
Sickling test checks whether your red blood cells have an abnormal shape or hemoglobin, indicating sickle cell trait or disease. In normal blood, red blood cell is biconcave in shape and flexible, but in sickle cell conditions, they are crescent shaped and stiff, blocking blood flow. Knowing your sickle cell status is crucial, especially if you are planning to have children. If both parents have sickle cell traits, their child has a higher risk of inheriting the sickle cell disease. Early diagnosis helps to manage symptoms and plan for the future. How is the test done? It is simple and quick. A small blood sample is taken either from the finger prick or the vein, and the sample is then mixed with a special chemical or reagent that causes sickle-shaped cells to form if the sickle cell trait or disease is present.
Magic.
Your result is either positive or negative. A negative sickling test means that you have normal red blood cells with no sickle cell. A positive test means that you have the sickle-shaped cells indicating the sickle cell trait or disease. When we say a sickle cell trait, it means that you carry the gene that causes sickle cell. So in other terms, we may say sickle cell carrier. But a disease, in layman terms, we may say sickler, which means that you have the sickle cell disease. A positive sickling test doesn't differentiate between the sickle cell trait and the disease. And a negative test also doesn't exclude other forms of abnormal hemoglobin. Does it make sense? Well, we shall explore that in our next episode. Knowing your sickle cell status can help make informed health and family decisions. Remember, Sickle saves lives. I am Dr. Paul Esiama, a medical laboratory scientist. Do follow us for more life-saving health tips and do share the video to help others. See you in the next episode.